In another video I did on the Citation 560 series, the 5, the Ultra, and the Encore, I talked about the Lavatory and how it's noticeably different from the Citation II. So this video here is about the Citation II Lav and how that is serviced. The Lav is in the rear of the airplane, just like in the 560s, and you can access it by folding this seat cushion out of the way. And initially it looks the same as the 560 series, but in order to service it, we actually have to pull the entire unit out. We can't just slide a drawer out or slide a sort of a container out of the base like we would on the 5, the Ultra, and the Encore. To pull the entire unit out, I'm going to show you how a couple things need to be disconnected, and that's how we do it here. After lifting up the plastic seat, we can see that the whole system is one integrated unit with the bowl, the waste receptacle that holds the fluid, and the pump that is it's an electrically driven pump that brings the blue juice up and flushes the toilet. Everything is all connected here, and this whole unit has to be pulled out in order to empty the contents and service the unit with new blue juice. In order to pull this unit out, there's no knife valve, there's no way to seal off the unit the way we would like in a Citation 560. So the only connection that we have to worry about is this electrical connection to the main aircraft battery. If you can see on the right side here, right at the front of the bowl, there's an electrical plug, and the way that works is that is the electrical connection for the pump that pumps the fluid, and that's connected to the electrical system on the aircraft. So when we disconnect that plug, that allows the entire unit to be lifted out, so you get the bowl, the waste receptacle, and the pump all one piece that comes out of this hole. And you kind of have to wiggle it back and forth, you know, kind of get it at the right angle and wiggle it around a little bit in order to get it to come out of this opening. But basically you just lift it vertically out of this opening after disconnecting that electrical plug, take it to empty it, get it out of the aircraft, and then fill it up with blue juice, bring it back here, pretty much just set it down into the hole again, and reconnect that electrical plug, and that is how a Citation II Lav is serviced.